Hello brosis, welcome back to my channel. So now we're going to replace the brake pads on the front wheel of IS200. So at first you have to put this one, both sides, that one, and this one, just to be safe. Put that one there, and put a support here with this one while you're putting the jack over there. Okay, just do that. Take a picture. Now we're going to remove the wheels. Okay, also you need to put it on neutral, and also the handbrake should be off. Okay, but before you do that, make sure you put that. Okay, you need a special socket for this one. You need a long bar, more easier. Okay. Once you lose it, still down, lose this one, but not all the way. Now you need to jack it up. Okay, that's down, nothing in there. Now this one need to go up. There you go. So we are going to replace it. As you can see, it's nearly run out. So what we need to do is to remove the two bolts behind. Okay, what we need is to remove only two bolts, this one and this one that's holding the caliper. Okay, there's only two of them, and then we will just adjust it later on. We just need to remove the caliper. Okay, when you remove this, you need a short bar like this, and this one, this is size 17. Now we need to put this in here. Just give me a sec because I only got 2 hands. Okay, we just secure that in here. Okay, we get a bucket, put underneath. This is where we do the work. Show you what I'm talking about. Okay, need to use another gloves. Okay, just to let you know, okay, that comes with in, which is this one is on this side, and the out is in here on this big one here. That's what it is. That's what's supposed to be like this. Okay, that's the out in there. Okay, out there, inside here. Okay, so you got out, you got in, so they go like that. Okay, they go like this. What I'm doing now is on the right side front. Okay, I'm doing now the right side front. Sorry, I'm doing the right side front here. That's supposed to be like this. Okay, as you can see, this is in, this is in. You can see it's different. Yeah, it's got this one here, this on the other side, on the left side. Okay, this one in here. Okay, it has this one here to put here, and also it's got the pin. You can see there's a pin here. Yeah, so what you do is you put this one pin on this one in there, make a hole like this. There's a hole here. That's how you do it. Make a V shape like this, V shape. The other side is go like this, the other side go like that. Okay, so now we're going to put it without script. I think we need to put together. Best way to do it, to put together. Yeah, I think it's better we put together. We put together. Put together. Let's do it together. Just go like that. Put this one like this, and like this. Okay, and like that. This one like this, and like this. There you go. And then we put them together. Put them together. Okay, we've done it. You can see we've done it. So now we're just gonna put this one now, and we clean it. This one, need to clean this one. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's put one to hold it. And the other one. Okay, just to hold it. Now, as you can see, I've already done it. Look at that. So now we've already put a big space on it. We pushed that all the way. So now we're gonna put it back. As you can see, that's what I did. Okay. And put it. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna put one first. Gonna put one first. Then we take it out the other one. Take it out the other one and put a thread lock on it. First we need to spray. Yeah. And then this one. Okay, then we just wash this, clean that. Brush. Make it look good. Spray to make it look good. Okay. This is done underneath. Okay, now we're gonna put the thread lock. This is the thread lock. Red. There you go. And we're gonna put underneath. It's moving. Oh. There you go. That's already done. Now we're gonna put it back the put it back the put it back the tires now. Okay. You don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?